The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Jackson County. This includes Wellston, Vinton County. This includes MacArthur, Lake Hope State Park until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 16 miles northwest of Wellston, or 11 miles northeast of Waverly, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Radcliffe, Eagle Mills, Creola, Beyer, Allensville, Zaleski, Wilkesville, Hamden, and Colton. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for central Kentucky and southeast Ohio and central West Virginia. Please report hail or strong wind to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. You may also report severe weather by posting your report to the Charleston, West Virginia National Weather Service Facebook page or by using the Twitter hashtag NWSRLX.